My name is Diego Dobrila. I'm the factory manager at Kamen Pazin, working here for 14 years. When the first prototype of Breton Evonix was introduced, we choose this machine because we trust in innovation made by Breton, and also we cooperate a lot with the Breton technician. We solved many small problems and many details that we found during the installation and during the testing. So now we can say that we have the machine that is better every day. We made a lot of updates, a lot of upgrades. We're still doing it. I'm very satisfied with the Breton support. And I think in this industry, after sales support is maybe the most important thing for the customer. And that is what we get from Breton. Evonix machine is the first machine in the stone industry using linear motors. And with linear motors, you have a very fast translation of all the axes. Thanks to the high torque spindles, this machine can cut thicknesses up to 16 centimeters. And it cuts very fast without any problem, without damaging the material or the tool. Also the Breton Pulse software, which you can install in your office, on your smartphone. In that way you can monitor the production, the productivity and everything what is happening in the machine.